In this presentation, I'd like to discuss a financial concept called return on investment, or sometimes just ROI. Basically what it is, it's nothing more than you have on top how much money you made, you divide it by what you spent, and it gives you a percent return. I see some people will put it this way, that the percent return equals the price today of something minus the price one period ago, and of course it's divided by the price one period ago, what you spent. So let's look at three examples. This is the New York Stock Exchange. Let's kind of look at a stock example in return on ROI. Well, let's say we purchase a stock for $30 and it climbs to $32. So in essence what we have is a capital gains of $2. So we made $2, but let's also say that during the year we received $1 dividend, so we received $3. So looking at this, we made 2 plus 1, which is 3, on a $30 investment, which is a 10% return. Equals. There's another way of looking at it. With finance, generally we kind of like to break these two apart. So sometimes we'll look at it this way. They'll say the percent return is the amount of money we got paid in dividends divided by what we spent, plus the capital gains divided by what we spent. And sometimes the capital gains here, we'll just say, use that little price thing. We'll say price today minus the price one period ago divided by the price one period ago. But if you look really closely, this actually is a very important formula in finance. It's saying that the return of a stock is nothing more than the dividends you received divided by the price you paid plus this growth. But not that important for this. We're going to go back to ROI. Let's look at another example of ROI. One I find interesting is when somebody goes to a casino and goes, "Hey, I won $100." And the first question I have after that is, what did you spend to make that $100? Because you may not have made $100. I want to know the return on your investment, if you consider that an investment. Well, let's say I spent $50. Okay, so you spent $50. You made $100, but you spent $50. So in essence, basically, you've made $50 on a $50 investment. So you didn't make $100, but you made 100% return, which is not bad. Finally, a couple years ago in my hometown here, we had a newspaper change its price. The newspaper used to be $2 on a particular day of the week, and it increased to $3. And that would be a $1 increase. And most people are going, well, it only went up by 33%. No, if you use the ROA, kind of a variation of it, it went up by $1. It used to be, one period ago, $2. So it was actually a 50% increase in the cost. Now, a good place to calculate ROI is this calculator here on the web or on your phone, FN calculator. You'll see it's going to have ROI right here. If I click on ROI, here it is. And now I can put anything I want here. My original investment was $30. I made $33 that year, one term, and I'm going to say calculate. And you can see there's my gain loss, there's my 10% return. So I hope this helps you understand the concept of ROI.